The last day of campaigning in the state will witness a showdown between Narendra Modi and Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi today. Taking both Modi and the Gujarat BJP by surprise, the Congress Scion will be on a whirlwind campaign trail in the state for the first time, addressing 3 public rallies. Now, Rahul Gandhi will hold meetings in Jamnagar, in Amreli, in Sanand. All 3 seats, remember, go to polls on 13 December in the first phase of elections in Gujarat. Interestingly, BJP stalwart L.K. Advani will also be addressing a public meeting in Sanand today. Narendra Modi has been challenging Rahul Gandhi throughout his campaign for a duel. All eyes now will be on the Congress Scion to see if he will take Modi head-on. Modi has been questioning the Congress General Secretary's absence from the campaign in Gujarat so far.
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी आने वाले हैं, उनके युवराज आने वाले हैं। आइए, मेरी गुजरात की धरती पर सबका स्वागत है। लेकिन इस बार आने से जरा वो कतराते हैं, डरते हैं। अगर गुजरात जाएंगे और उत्तर प्रदेश से भी बुरा हाल हुआ तो होगा। मित्रों, मैंने पहली बार कांग्रेस पार्टी के चुनाव कैंपेन को ऐसा देखा है, उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखी है, अखबार में उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट छपती है, टीवी में उनकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट आती है, लेकिन पहली बार देखा कि कांग्रेस की एडवर्टाइजमेंट में पूरा नेहरू परिवार गायब है।
Now, the Gujarat Chief Minister himself is scheduled to address 5 rallies across the state. Other BJP leaders likes of Smriti Irani, Navjot Singh Sidhu, actors Paresh Rawal, Vivek Oberoi as well will be joining the poll blitzkrieg. Headlines Today's editor Gaurav Sawant has been on the campaign trail tracking various parties and developments in Gujarat. He now joins us for a live update from Jamnagar. Gaurav, I don't know if you'll call it taking the bait for Rahul Gandhi. Yes, he along with other senior leaders in the run-up to these elections has been missing. Now towards the end, you see the likes of the Prime Minister, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul himself now coming on. But the question is, will there be a direct face-off? Narendra Modi, of course, is open for the challenge.
Oh, indeed. This is the last day of campaign for phase 1 of these elections, and Rahul Gandhi finally makes an entry. 3 rallies is addressing here, 1 in Jamnagar, the 2nd in Amreli, and the 3rd in Sanand near Ahmedabad. Now, the Congress party is concentrating on Saurashtra. They're addressing farmers, they're addressing Dalits. This is where they hope to make inroads and make a dent in BJP's bastion. In 2007, BJP got 43 of 54 seats in the Saurashtra region, Saurashtra and Kutch. But this time it is being said that the Gujarat Parivartan Party of Keshubhai Patel is a challenge, and the Congress hopes to cash in on this divide within the erstwhile Sangh Parivar. And that is where they hope that some of their candidates will be able to better their chances. So Sonia Gandhi, the Prime Minister,
yes, and
now Rahul Gandhi, who is expected here in another 45 minutes to an hour, will try and tell voters in Jamnagar, in Amreli, they'll address farmers. The aim of Rahul Gandhi is to say that this development plank of Narendra Modi is a farce. But as you rightly pointed out, bait has been laid out by the Gujarat strongman Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi makes an entry extremely late, Aditya. The Congress party would want us to believe that this is a part of a strategy. But is it? We will know on the 20th of December.